Are you tired of the discomfort and inconvenience of recurring bladder infections? Want to take control and make a change that could drastically improve your life? Well, this video could be just the solution you've been waiting for. We're going to share 11 home remedies for bladder infections, plus a bonus treatment that could help you prevent and manage this common problem. So sit back, relax, and prepare to revolutionize your approach to urinary health. 1. Water. A simple but powerful ally. Ever noticed how our bodies instinctively know what they need? When you're hot, you sweat. When you're thirsty, you drink. Your body uses these simple mechanisms to maintain balance. The same goes for bladder infections. The more water you drink, the more often you flush out your bladder, reducing the chances of bacteria setting up shop. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases recommends drinking 6 to 8-ounce glasses of water a day to maintain urinary health. 2. A spoonful of baking soda. Remember your high school chemistry? Acid-base reactions, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate can help neutralize the acidity in your urine, providing relief from the burning sensation during a bladder infection. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach. However, be careful not to overdo it, as excessive consumption can lead to metabolic alkalosis, a serious condition. 3. The C in vitamin C is for cranberries. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving. They contain substances that prevent E. coli, the primary culprit behind bladder infections, from adhering to the walls of your urinary tract. Drinking cranberry juice or taking cranberry supplements regularly can help prevent recurrent bladder infections. Remember though, not all cranberry juices are created equal. Look for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice for maximum benefits. 4. The aromatic magic of essential oils. Essential oils like tea tree oil and oregano oil possess potent antimicrobial properties. A warm bath with a few drops of these oils can provide some much-needed relief from the symptoms of a bladder infection. However, never ingest these oils or apply them directly to your skin without diluting them first. 5. Heat therapy, your warm comforter. Applying heat over the pubic area can help reduce bladder pressure and relieve pain associated with a bladder infection. Use a heating pad at a comfortable temperature for about 15 minutes at a time. It's a simple, yet effective remedy for immediate relief. 6. The wonders of vitamin C. Vitamin C can be a great ally in the fight against bladder infections. By increasing the acidity of your urine, it prevents the growth of bacteria in your urinary tract. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C and can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. 7. Probiotics. Tiny warriors in your gut. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut, which is directly linked to a healthy urinary tract. Consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or probiotic supplements can help prevent recurrent bladder infections by keeping harmful bacteria in check. 8. Herbal remedies. The power of plants. Herbs like uva ursi, also known as bearberry, have been used for centuries to treat bladder and urinary tract infections. The active compound in this herb, arbutin, has potent antimicrobial properties. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal treatment, as they can interact with other medications. 9. The importance of personal hygiene. Maintaining good personal hygiene is crucial in preventing bladder infections. Always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent bacteria from the anal area from spreading to the vagina and urethra. Also, urinating before and after sexual intercourse can help flush out bacteria that might have entered the urethra during sex. 10. The right clothing for the right cause. Ever heard the saying, cotton is king? When it comes to preventing bladder infections, wearing breathable cotton underwear and avoiding tight jeans or trousers can help keep the area around the urethra dry, making it less conducive for bacterial growth. 11. Regular physical activity, your unsung hero. Exercise improves circulation, which in turn boosts the immune system, helping your body fight off infections more efficiently. Regular physical activity can help prevent recurrent bladder infections, so make sure you're moving every day, whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a bike ride. 12. Ditch irritants, your bladder will thank you. As a bonus, let's talk about things you should avoid. Irritants like caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, artificial sweeteners, and carbonated drinks can irritate your bladder and make it harder for your body to heal from an infection. If you have a bladder infection, steer clear of these substances until your symptoms have completely disappeared. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies can be very helpful in preventing and managing bladder infections, they should not replace medical treatment, especially for severe or recurrent infections. It's important to consult a healthcare provider if symptoms persist, as untreated bladder infections can lead to kidney infections, which are much more serious. Additionally, some remedies, like baking soda or herbal treatments, can have side effects if used excessively or improperly. And there you have it, 11 effective home remedies for bladder infections, plus a bonus tip that could help you regain control over your urinary health. Remember, these remedies are most effective when used as part of a holistic approach to health, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good personal hygiene. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with these remedies or any other bladder health tips you have. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.